Looks like we made it. And with nothing but a few scratches to show. Think you might have overdone it?
I followed the instructions to the letter. Maybe it triggered a reaction with the Mako?
Well, let's hope the city's still in one piece.
But the planet's what matters, right? I mean, this must have helped some.
After all that, it had better have. Anyway, let's get going. We in Sector 8?
That'd be just down there.
All right then, lead the way.
You got it. Huh. Watch out for live wires. They're everywhere.
Ugh. The air in here reeks. Can't wait to get out in the open. Man, what is that? I've never smelled anything so foul. Oh, it's me. Gotta do something about that. And soon.
I felt that one in my guts.
They just keep on coming.
We need to get out of this place.
Was it the Mako density? The primary explosive? The blasting agent?
Hey, we can figure that out later.
I'm running on empty here.
You can refuel at the base.
Next time I'll have to bring a little pick-me-up.
How much farther do we have to go?
Not far. That's about as good a place as any.
Stand back then. I'll set the bomb.
Can't wait to see you, Marlene.
Can't wait to take a hot shower.
She's good to go. Fire in the hole!
You sure told those doors.
Let that be a lesson to anything that gets in my way.
Attention all citizens. Attention all citizens. This is an alert from the Shinra Emergency Operations Center. Unidentified intruders have detonated a bomb inside Mako Reactor 1. Multiple explosions have been confirmed, as well as ongoing fire. In response, a disaster warning has been issued in Sectors 1 and 8. Structures in the area are at high risk of collapse, rendering the entire sector hazardous. Therefore, all residents of Sector 8...
No. No way.
This couldn't have been us, could it?
But what if it was?
What's done is done.
Merc's right. It ain't pretty, but we can't stop now. This was just the first reactor, and the planet won't be safe till we get the rest.
Yeah. We always knew this was gonna get messy.
And this is only the beginning.
Y'all gotta look at the bigger picture here. Nothing worth fighting for was ever won without sacrifice. Though you may not be crying out, I know you're in pain, just like the planet. But it's okay, 'cause I'm here for you, to help take the load off your shoulders. Your fears, your worries, your concerns, and yes, your fees. Whatever your problem, I got you.
So, what's our next move, boss?
That's easy enough. We get our asses home. split up and shoot for the last train home. Regroup in the freight car. Got it?
Later then.
Hey. I'd like my money now.
You can have it once we're back at base.
Rendering the entire sector
Yoo-hoo! I don't need to tell you what this is, right?
Of course not. It's healing materia.
You can have it, for saving my life.
Just doing my job. Nothing more.
Yeah. Fact is, I'm lucky you were there.
Survival can be a matter of luck or skill. And you can't rely on luck.
Words to live by.
Yeah, well, thanks.
You do know how to use it, right?
You do know what I was, right?
You may alternatively contact
Okay,
security
I was only trying to help.
I repeat,
Oh, before I forget, here's a little something extra for being so brave. That really was the ride of a lifetime. Well, see you on the train.
detonated a bomb inside Mako Reactor 1. Multiple explosions have been confirmed, as well as ongoing fire.
Military should be
In
here.
response, a disaster warning has been issued in sectors 1 and 8. Structures in the area are at high risk of collapse, rendering the entire sector hazardous.
The shelf tipped over and I went, ah! And I jumped out of the way! Are there any trains going to the slums?
Security officer. You may alternatively
What the hell are we
contact
supposed to
security
do?
headquarters. I repeat,
I can't reach my son. We head for the station. Then we take the train to your sister's.
unidentified intruders have detonated a bomb inside Mako Reactor 1. Multiple explosions have been confirmed, as well as ongoing fire.
Where are they?
A disaster warning has been issued in sectors 1 and 8.
Terrorists do this?
Structures in the area are at high risk of collapse, rendering the entire
I should just
sector
hop the train.
hazardous. Immediate evacuation is advised.
The whole house in chains.
Cloud! Up here! Look
Got a
up!
patient with me.
I said look up!
Security
Need a
officer.
stretcher.
You may
ASAP.
alternatively
We'll get you to a
contact
doctor
little
soon.
more to the
Hang
left.
in there.
I repeat.
I said look up!
Shinra Emergency Operations Center.
Careful up here. This could collapse at any moment. If you want up, you'll have to use those stairs.
Multiple explosions have been confirmed, as well as ongoing
If you really
fire.
want to get to the station,
In
you can always
response,
climb
a
those
disaster
stairs.
warning has
Try
been
picking your way
issued in
across the
sectors
rubble.
1 and 8. Structures in the area are at high
Goddamn
risk of
rubble.
collapse, rendering the entire sector hazardous. Immediate evacuation is advised. If you observe any suspicious behavior, please inform the nearest public security officer. You may alternatively contact security headquarters. I repeat. This is a birth on the Shinra Emergency
Why
Operations
did this
Center.
have to happen to us?
Unidentified intruders have detonated a bomb inside Mako Reactor 1. Multiple explosions have been confirmed. Immediate evacuation is advised. If you observe any suspicious
What?
behavior, please
Why?
inform the nearest public security officer. You may alternatively contact security headquarters.
Ken, give us a sign.
Got someone in need of medical attention. Send a stretcher.
What in the world? Don't worry. We'll get you looked at soon enough.
Pretty sure the guys from Sector 7 are on their way. Once they get here, could you... Exactly. Thanks.
That was insane.
Station's intact. What the? He couldn't be. But then... the hell? Wait. You're not real. You're dead.
I am.
I killed you with my own...
Oh, you need not remind me. It was the crowning moment of our time together. But that was then, and this is now. I have a favor to ask. Our beloved planet is dying. Slowly. Silently. Painfully. Can you bear to see the planet suffer? Cloud.
Mom.
Were the planet to die, so many things would be lost. Your hometown that burns so bright. The sound of her voice, pleading for me to spare you. The shiver of her flesh, yielding to cold steel. That which binds us together would be no more, and I would be loath to live in such a world, which is why I must ask you this one favor. Don't worry, it's a simple thing. Run, Cloud. Run away. You have to leave. You have to live.
You bastard! Yeah!
Good, Cloud. Very good. Hold on to that hatred.
I'm seeing things. Fumes from all the Mako, maybe. All right. You got this.
You should get away from there.
Whoever did this,
My family. They're at the station.
Shooting for the station? Take the alley and climb up to the roof of that building at the end, and you're practically there.
You are
If you
advised
make
to
it that
vacate
far.
the area immediately. The explosions at the reactor have caused numerous ongoing fires. Many homes are at risk. It is not safe to remain indoors. Please leave your residences at once. I repeat. This is an alert from the Shinra Emergency Operations Center. An evacuation order has been issued to the occupants of buildings in the vicinity of the Sector 8 Expressway.
Man, what a mess.
You are advised to vacate the area immediately. The explosions at the reactor have caused numerous ongoing fires.
I'm sorry.
Many homes are at risk. It is not safe to remain indoors. Please leave your residences at once. I repeat.
Sure you can. After
This is
the
an
withdrawal.
alert from the Shinra Emergency Operations. You are advised to vacate the area immediately. At the reactor have caused numerous ongoing fires. Many homes are at risk.
What didn't collapse?
So much for the fast
Can we go home now?
My friend's at the station.
Where's the mayor when we need him?
And escort you to the shelter.
We'll wait for the military.
Those in the vicinity
Trained for this.
are
don't let the intruder escape.
Security's everywhere.
If you need to access the train station, please take a detour and avoid the plaza near the expressway.
Could the mayor be behind this?
Maybe it's part of a plot to tarnish President.
You are too weak to save anyone. Not even yourself.
Are you okay? Hey, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Here, this is for you.
Huh? A flower?
That's right. It's a gift. You know, for scaring those things away.
What things?
Never mind. Think of it as a memento.
Just my luck.
I heard that, you know.
How much?
Well, that depends on the customer. In your case... it's on the house.
Huh?
Lovers used to give these when they were reunited.
Look, I'm involved in things. Dangerous things.
Oh, I'm sure you are. So?
So keep your distance.
Wait, you think someone's out to get you? Is that what you're all worked up about? Relax. No one's going to attack you. I promise.
Hey, a Mako reactor just blew. You shouldn't be out here trying to self...
Help me! What are they?
Drop your weapon!
Are you blind?
You know, you're right.
Wait!
Nice meeting you.
Foot on the ground! Right now! You can't win!
Enough. Not bad.
There he is! You're not going anywhere!
HQ, this is Sector 8, Unit 4. We have eyes on the target. We need backup. I repeat, requesting immediate backup.
Sector 8 Expressway.
All right.
You are advised to vacate the area immediately. The explosions at the reactor have caused numerous ongoing fires.
See ya. That it?
Emergency Operations Center. An evacuation order has been issued to the occupants of buildings in the vicinity of the Sector 8 Expressway. You are advised to vacate the area immediately. The
That bastard couldn't have gotten far!
Have caused
Stay alert!
ongoing
Don't want
fires.
to stick around here.
Many homes are at risk. It is not safe to remain indoors. Blockades have been erected throughout the area to avoid accidents. Prompt compliance with officers' instructions and advice.
All clear.
You!
Let's finish this. It's over. You're done. Let's go.
The area near the expressway is still extremely dangerous. Those in the vicinity are instructed to leave immediately. If you need to access the train station, please take a detour and avoid the plaza near the expressway. Train services may be suspended without warning. Should this occur, your patience and understanding are requested. I repeat. For the safety of Sector 8 residents.
Just give it up! Don't run! Take her!
Blockades have been erected throughout
Box him in! Box him in! There's nowhere to run!
Let's do this.
Blockades have been erected throughout the area to avoid accidents.
Right.
Target sighted! I repeat, target sighted! Structure was ready for immediate deployment!
That's that.
Blockades have been erected throughout the area to avoid accidents. Compliance with officers' instructions and advice.
Bring it. Come on.
Troopers on standby! From the Shinra Emergency Operations Center. For the safety of Sector 8 residents, security has been increased around Fountain Plaza. Blockades have been erected throughout the area.
You are clear to engage!
Prompt compliance.
Be advised, target is headed for the station!
From the Shinra Emergency Operations Center. For the safety of
Enemy combatants, you are surrounded! Lay down your weapon and surrender!
That's enough!
Not looking good.
Entertain me! It's my bag! Nice bit!
I repeat. This is another.
No more playing nice. Let's finish this.
Prompt compliance with officers.
Right.
I repeat.
Let's do this.
Don't let him escape! Ground forces engage. Target is Fountain Plaza. All nearby units converge and provide immediate support.
Prompt compliance with officers instructions and advice. I repeat. This is an alert from the Shinra Emergency Operations Center.
That's that.
He's good!
Enough.
Target still mobile. Support. Proceed to rally point at the station.
But the rooftops look clear.
Open fire! Shoot to kill!
Close call.
Be advised. Target approaching residential area.
Blockades have been erected throughout the area. To avoid accidents, prompt compliance with officers instructions and advice. I repeat. This is an alert from the Shinra Emergency Operations for the safety of Sector 8 residents. Security has been increased around Fountain Plaza. Blockades have been erected throughout the area.
Don't underestimate him.
Can't take me!
That's that.
I see him! You can't win!
See ya. Need a light? Was never in doubt.
Confirmed. Target has entered residential area. Full lockdown is in effect. All units.
Now in effect. Residents are instructed to remain inside. Do not venture outside.
You're mine now!
It's over.
I repeat. This is an alert from the Shinra Emergency Operations Center. A suspect
Let's go.
with Reactor 1 bomb has been sighted in the vicinity of Fountain Plaza.
Spotted. Moving to intercept.
A security lockdown is now in effect.
That's that.
Residents are instructed to remain inside.
Nothing
Do
to
not
it.
venture outside.
Get the bastard!
I'll show you.
Get ready.
Shield front. Nope.
This'll hurt! He's here!
Enough.
No way!
Take this.
Suppressing!
A suspect in the reactor bomb has been sighted in the vicinity of Fountain Plaza. A security lockdown is now in effect. Residents are instructed to remain inside.
Damn it.
Do not enter outside for
See ya.
Shield front. Good as dead. I'll show you.
Come on. Time to burn.
I repeat, this is an alert from the Shinra Emergency Operations Center. The suspect in the reactor 1 bomb has been sighted in the vicinity of Fountain Plaza. Do not venture outside for any reason. The lockdown has been lifted.
Enemy combatant, you have been warned. Surrender yourself to public security immediately. You have nowhere to run.
Do not venture outside for any reason. An announcement will be made when the lockdown has been lifted. I repeat, this is an alert from the Shinra Emergency Operations Center. A suspect in the reactor 1 bomb has been sighted in the vicinity of Fountain Plaza. A security lockdown is now
Not so fast.
No holding back. Try me. Going in. Brace yourself. That's that. See ya. That it?
End of the line, punk! I'm gonna enjoy this.
That's that.
Enough! Eat this!
See ya.
This is gonna hurt.
It's over. No escape. That's that. Right. Won't last long. Let's do this. Shit. Need a light?
I live for this!
So long. All good.
You got no chance.
Still in it.
Let's go!
Shit.
Try me! Do your worst.
Now. No holding back. Let's do this.
Long live Shinra!
Move in! Don't let him escape!
HQ, this is Sector 8, Unit 2. Target is surrounded. Moving to secure.
Wait! I know that.
Guess Cloud won't be joining us after all.
No need to assume the worst. I'm sure he's fine. You saw him in action, didn't you? Guy's a soldier. Goddamn one-man army.
You think he's a keeper?
On my go. You had me worried for a minute. What the hell you been up to, huh?
Giving public security the runaround. That's what. Had to draw them away from the station somehow.
Nicely done.
Well, can't argue with results, huh? What?
Wait. Got a question for you all.
What?
Ever been attacked by an invisible enemy?
What?
Wearing robes. Came and went like the wind.
Thought they were invisible.
They were, at first. Only saw them after she grabbed me.
A new Shinra weapon, maybe?
More like a panic-induced hallucination.
Never mind. Forget I said anything.
Suit yourself. Come on, let's move up.
A lot of people here.
Because of the evacuation order, maybe?
Lucky us. We've got a crowd to hide in. Head for the front of the train and hold there.
Due to an explosion at Mako Reactor 1, an emergency schedule is now in effect. Your understanding and cooperation is appreciated.
Guess the blade's not so safe.
This is...
The highway collapsed right in front of me.
Just wanted to be alone.
I haven't been down to the surface in years.
So cramped. Man, everyone's on edge.
Of course they are.
Hey, Cloud.
Stop that right
You're
now!
going to unburden yourself. Don't.
Yeesh. You don't make it easy.
No thief's getting my money.
Do you mind?
Hey, got a sec?
My daughter now lives in Sector 8, so...
You're, holding up pretty well, huh? Even after what we saw at the station and all over Sector 8?
I'm a
Have they
soldier.
caught the perpetrators yet?
My hands are still shaking.
You get used to it.
Something to look forward to. Or maybe not.
You see, my daughter now lives in Sector 8, so...
Mr. Shinra catch the bad men yet?
I can't wait to set foot on the surface.
It'll help, Cloud? Please? I can't stop thinking about it. The bomb I made shouldn't have produced an explosion that big. It doesn't make any sense.
The explosion triggered a reaction with the Mako. You said so yourself.
That was my first guess, but shouldn't a reactor have fail-safes to prevent that kind of thing? You mentioned invisible enemies back there, right?
Right.
No. I'm just looking for excuses for something that was clearly my own fault. Gotta own up to it if I'm gonna learn from this and move on. Thanks, Cloud. You're a good listener.
I doubt this will be the last attack on a reactor.
What kind of maniacs would go so far as to bomb a reactor?
They've yet to announce it publicly, but I heard it was Avalanche's doing.
Really? Aren't they the terrorists who tried to kill the president?
Is there nothing they won't do?
Hey, quit talking out your ass. Everyone knows Avalanche only cares about saving the planet.
Just who do you think you are?
A law-abiding, concerned citizen.
Law-abiding? Really?
Shh.
Don't antagonize him.
In my humble opinion, that explosion was a message. A message to the bastards bleeding our planet dry. Think they got it? Heard it loud and clear? Y'all's masters?
We will not submit to intimidation or violence, but work together for peace and prosperity. That is how civilized people change the world.
That's right.
That is the Shinra Creed.
Them's fighting words.
It's what we believe. We all have to follow our conscience, don't we?
We should go.
Right.
Oh dear.
Man, this train is slower than molasses, am I right?
You hear that suit? Shinra Creed my ass. We're the good guys, damn it. You hear that suit? Shinra Creed my ass.
Let's get this out of the way. Personally, I find visual aids make the dull stuff a lot more bearable. If it helps, think of it as an initiation rite.
How many times do I have to tell you people? I'm not...
There's such a thing as playing too hard to get. So, here we've got a wireframe model of the great city of Midgar, complete with massive steel plates suspended 300 meters above ground level, atop which stands a shining beacon of civilization. The whole system is sustained by the Mako reactors, which feed the insatiable appetites of the public.
The train will be passing through an ID checkpoint shortly.
This here is the train's route. As you can see, it'll take us around this main pillar. Look, we're about halfway through it now. They've set up a checkpoint here to scan the IDs of all passengers heading in and out. Date of birth, residential status, criminal history, all that and more is automatically cross-referenced in their databases. Public security wouldn't have it any other way. Heads up. Don't worry, our IDs are impeccable. What'd I tell ya? Have a little faith. Won't be long till we reach the bottom. Relax.
Take a good look. It's because of that great big pizza in the sky that people down there gotta struggle to survive. Shinra sucks up Mako while the soil turns to dust, the air fills with smog, and the flowers die.
Then leave and don't look back. That's what's always worked for me.
Well, that's all well and good, if you're only out for yourself. But the folks down there don't have the luxury of choice, you know?
Like this train, I suppose. There's only one way it can go.